Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Farah, and today I want to give you an update on my journey to make money online. So I started this journey about a year ago, and I was totally brand new to online. I didn't even so much as spend a whole lot of time on my phone at all. After I purchased an online course, I opened up an LLC to legalize my online business. But I really didn't need to even do that yet until I started making money. So in a way it was kind of a waste. But at the same time, I don't have to worry about it now because it was a lot of hassle to go through, and now it's done. So I don't have to worry about it anymore. After that, I opened up a funnel building program that are used by affiliates to lead the customers to the sales page. But I really didn't even need that yet either, because in order for you to be able to bring customers to your sales page, you need some type of following online. Some affiliates claim that you don't need a following online in order to make money online. However, I don't necessarily see how that is possible. However, if I do figure it out, I will make a video about that. So from there, I opened up this YouTube channel to build some subscribers, but it's a bit harder than it looks. But I don't plan on giving up anytime soon. I found this program, of course, surprise, surprise, more money. But this program is supposed to help you with your subscribers, to get more subscribers, views, and shares. And it's also supposed to help you with your algorithm. I'm going to try this program for at least a year. I did sign up for a year. And if my channel hasn't improved in that time, well, I'm definitely not going to sign up for a second year, because it is definitely expensive. But I think the algorithm is already starting to improve, because my channel is starting to get recommended by other channels on YouTube. So fingers crossed. That program, by the way, is called Morning Fame, and you need an invite code to sign up. So if anyone is interested, I will leave an invite code into the description. Since building a following is taking so long, I decided to open up an Etsy shop in hopes to start making some sales. But the top competition on Etsy is very tough out there, so in order for you to start making some sales, you need to show up in the searches. In order for you to show up in the searches, you need to have a lot of photos and videos. So listings with more photos and videos show up on the first page. So I currently have 44 listings, and as I create new products, I also order a couple of my products from the store myself, so I can use for samples, so that I can use to make photos and videos. I am currently working on some new designs, and I just got a new order in, so I also have a new photo shoot to do. Actually, this is one of the t-shirts that I ordered as a sample from my store, and surprisingly this t-shirt fits well. It's not too long. Normally if I order any type of t-shirt like this online, it's super long and I can wear it for like a nightgown. But this is true to its size. This is a small and it fits really nice. And like I said, the length is perfect. It goes like right to your hip. After that, once I get my photo shoot done, I'm going to go through my shop and see if there's any discounts that I can offer in order to bring in some new customers. I also need to start sharing and advertising more. I just need to create some new listings, create some new products, just keep adding and creating more photos and videos for my Etsy shop. I'm going to try different sales and discounts to see if I can bring in some buyers. I'm confident that once my shop has hundreds of listings, it'll start to look more professional, and then I'll start making some sales. I also gained some new followers on my shop, so that keeps the hope going. I will make another update video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.